Hi fellow DIYers, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how to make a wreath using an embroidered hoop. I think wreaths are a very nice welcoming feature for your visitors, and the best part is that it took me only about 15 minutes to make it. Well, enough talking, let's get started. For this you will need a variety of flowers, an embroidery hoop, wire cutters, a glue gun and some glue sticks. So I started by cutting off this grass and bending it to fit the curve of the embroidery hoop. Unfortunately, I didn't film this part. Silly me, but all I did was to glue gun the grasses on the bottom of the hoop, one at the right side and the other one at the left side. Then I took these hydrangeas and clipped it using my wire cutters, and then put some hot glue at the bottom and placed it at the center of the hoop. Then I took this orangey pink colored rose and pulled it off of the stem and hot glued it at the right side of the hydrangeas. I also glued this purple pink rose at the left side.
Look at these beautiful stars, I want to drive a faster car.
I also used the leaves of the roses and tucked them at each side of them. I'm continuing adding flowers. This time I took a white rose and put it over the hydrangeas.
City lights looking fun, and I know this is my time.
I then grabbed a bunch of this green lavender and separated two pieces and tucked them over the leaves because I thought it needed some dimension. Guys, when you're making a wreath, you kinda eyeball everything you wanna put on it. Then I picked up this grass and purposely I chose this color to kind of match the green of the hydrangeas and then glued them. I then pulled out this gorgeous color of lavender and tucked it at each side. If you can see, this color kind of matches the color of the rose. And finally, I took another type of lavender, a darker purple this time, and hot glued them at the bottom left and right side.
When I'm in this town, look at these beautiful stars, I want to take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me.
And this is how it turned out. I love it. I think it turned out so beautiful, and I love the colors and the texture, and even though I was going for a faux wreath, I absolutely love it, and I think it's a versatile wreath that stands out at every season. Guys, don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified for every upcoming video, and I'll catch you in my next video. I love you guys, take care.